This video will take you through e-agreements and how to use them. An e-agreement is an electronic exchange of agreements, in this case, between you and your clients. Your client will be prompted with an e-agreement on the kiosk, member app or website portal when they log into their profile, try to book a class, or buy a new membership. These can also be requested from a client at any time via the dashboard or Glowfox Pro. And you will also be able to access the signed agreement from the client's profile in Glowfox Pro and the dashboard, which means you no longer need to store loads of paperwork at your studio. You can also add as many required e-signatures as you please throughout your e-agreement. This ensures that your clients have read the entire document and not merely scrolled to the end. This can be useful for proving that a particular piece was mentioned within your contract. It's easy to see those who have yet to sign. You'll be prompted to get a signature via the class booking list and the Access tab. If a client enters your studio and you see the unsigned tag, ask your client to sign the contract there and then before allowing them to enter the class. By doing this, you can ensure that everyone in your class has signed their documents before commencing exercise. Upgrading to e-agreements can give you a ton of extra protections. For example, with contracts, when you sign up a new client or process a membership purchase, the client isn't required to sign the studio waiver or membership terms and conditions with an e-signature. This is not ideal. If anything happened to your client without these forms being signed, you could find yourself in a tricky situation of who's right and who's wrong. Both regular contracts and e-agreements give you the ability to customize templates and offer standard protection for you and your clients. Some of the key benefits of e-agreements over regular contracts are as follows. The ability to add multiple signatures within your contracts. The alerts and reminders on your booking list and access log to ensure all clients have signed before entering your facility. The ability to capture agreement of documents on staff-facing tools like Glowfox Pro and the kiosk. The ability to easily resend agreements to clients from their profile or from the class to prompt a signature. Storage of date and time of the agreement. And easy access to signed agreements for both you and your clients. To edit an e-agreement for your studio, follow these steps. First, make sure e-agreements are part of your Glowfox package. Then, from the dashboard, click on the menu icon on the top right-hand corner. Then click Settings, then Forms. From here you will see a list of available contracts. Remember that both waivers and membership terms and conditions are eligible for e-agreements. Click on the one you would like to edit. Once you're satisfied with your edits, click Save Changes. If you have a new client joining from the kiosk, they simply log in and will be prompted with an e-agreement that they need to sign. From Glowfox Pro, you'll see something similar. When you click on a client's profile and their documents are unsigned, the same unsigned tag will appear under their profile picture. If you scroll down, you will see a section named Documents. When you click on this, you will see which documents are yet to be signed. That's all for now. For more information on e-agreements or to upgrade, reach out to us at customersuccess@glowfox.com.